I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Let's check out Amgen, Gilead, and CELG. Amgen was one of the biotech stocks that Kramer thinks is doing really, really well. He thinks it's a buy even now. You look at the daily chart, you can see the stock's extended pretty far above the 50-day moving average, so it looks kind of scary. However, you look at the weekly chart, you can see it's coming out of a pretty tight volatility squeeze. I mean, this thing's just exploding to the upside. I get really hesitant about chasing a stock like this. In fact, you know what I should do is I should buy it and then let you know as soon as I do, so then you can sell it because it'll get a pullback. That's typically the way it happens when I chase stocks. So I'm not going to suggest chasing this one. I would, though, say buy a teeny tiny small position just to kind of get you in the game, get you off of the sidelines, then plan on adding to that when Amgen slows down, and it's going to slow down. We just don't know if it's going to be at $84 or $94. Kramer also likes Gilead. He says they've got a pretty good hepatitis C drug that's going to wind up doing really well for them. Here's the weekly chart, though. The stock's right up against resistance here. It's been pretty formidable. This stock is really, really sloppy. I mean, it just is really sloppy on the weekly chart, but if you look at the daily chart, you get a better sense of what's happening here. I wouldn't call this a little cup here. Let's just say it's a long consolidation right in between, say, $48 and $53. We're just getting a breakout to the upside, and it's on high volume. So this, again, I got to say, it's really, really sloppy on a weekly basis, but if you look at the daily chart, you can see you can take some stock here, but then plan on taking more. I got to emphasize that. Plan on taking more. You don't want to be improvising here. Plan on taking more stock if it pulls back closer to the 50-day moving average. And last but definitely not least is CELG. Kramer was talking about this stock also on Friday on Mad Money, and he thinks this stock is poised to go higher. Had a little bit of a hiccup in the last couple of years, but this thing has turned the corner now. We'll look at the weekly chart, and you can see definitely higher lows here. You can see the highs have just been off the charts almost literally, but now the stock is back at the 200-day moving average. My bet is sometime over the next couple days, you're going to see a pullback below the 200-day moving average. That's when you want to start taking this stock, because I really think this trend line, this uptrend of higher lows, is intact. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also, one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.